Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another quick recipe from Prime Side, and today we're going to be seeing how we made this fruity black soup. We'll be needing 6 fruits for this recipe, and the first fruit here is our pineapple that is fully ripened and sweet, and then our papaya, not too ripened and not too unripened, just a bit ripe but not soft. I'll be using half of these, and maybe I'll use the remaining half for papaya oil. Okay, so we'll also be needing cucumbers, very green cucumbers. Very importantly, we will make sure they are green. And then I'll be needing some bananas, and then carrots, which is really important in this recipe. And then I will be needing some lemons. I'll be needing the zest and the juice. So in the quick one here is our chopped banana, and then our carrots grated already, and then our papaya is chopped also. Note that I cut in our papaya with the bark and the seeds. This is because the bark and the seed contains enough nutrient that our skin would need. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, and it's also an antioxidant that will help our skin to glow. Also, we'll be needing other cucumbers, and for the cucumbers I use the green parts of the cucumbers. I really wouldn't be needing the inside, so I just chopped the green side of the cucumbers for this. And then for the lemon I used the zest and the juice. And then lastly a pineapple. Okay, so I'll just transfer this fruit into my blender. I tried using my food processor, but it obviously didn't work, so I used my blender. I'll blend this, keep blending until I get a paste. I didn't add water to this, so I kept blending until I got them blended. So after this, here is our puree already and our smoothie. And I know some of you would want to just munch this, but stay cool, it's for your soup. I'll just get this transferred into my mixing bowl. Note that I didn't add water to this recipe even when I blended. So in order to rinse out this from my blender, I used some rose water. Into this puree, I'll be adding my black soup that I've already chopped in pieces to allow easy melting. So this actually is about 200 grams of black soup. You can add more black soup to do. You can use about 400 to 500 grams of black soup into this amount of puree, although I didn't weigh my puree. So I just buried the black soup inside the puree, and I'll go ahead to cover this with a food wrap, and then I'll set it aside for about 30 to 40 minutes to melt. Here is about 30 minutes, and I think they're melted already. Please, if this is your first time of joining us on this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button for us, and also turn your notification bell so you can always get our posts whenever we upload a new video. I really appreciate you all who always come back to watch from this channel. Thank you all so very much. Prime Side appreciates you, old and new subbies. So here is our black soup puree, and I'm going to add 2 powders. First, my licorice root extract. Licorice is a lightening extract. Actually, it helps to lighten the skin naturally and give a brightening effect. And also I'll be adding some mulberry extracts. I added about 20 grams each of these powders. Mulberry extract also helps to lighten and brighten the skin naturally. They are both natural powders, they are not harmful to the skin. And then I added them to this recipe to assist the fruit in giving a brightening effect on the skin when used. Also, I'm going to be adding oatmeal powder. Oatmeal, already we know that it has some properties that really helps the skin, especially in exfoliating and in scrubs. So I'll be adding 50 grams of this oatmeal powder into this recipe. You can also use ungrounded oatmeal for this if you can't get hold of oatmeal powder, or better still, you can blend your oatmeal, your normal oatmeal, to get your oatmeal powder. Alright, so after this, we're simply going to be adding our essential oil. Here you can use any essential oil of your choice, and then I use the black cumin seed essential oil. This is because black cumin seed helps so very well in all kind of skin infections, diseases, and even in general health. And then I'll be adding my propylene glycol, just 3 mils, and also my fragrance. You can really opt this fragrance out because many people do react to fragrance, and because this is made from fruit, it really had a nice smell even without the fragrance. So you can really remove fragrance from this recipe. And also, if you want to use this soap for more than 2 weeks, add a preservative. I'm not going to use it for more than 2 weeks. That is why I did not add a preservative to this. So if you should, please do add a preservative. I'm just adding a scoop of shea butter to this to give a little moisturizing effect before giving it a final whip. The preservative that you can use for this black soap, here are the names on the screen, because it contains fruit and it will certainly spoil if not preserved. So for the time being of 2 weeks that you will use it, make sure that it's been refrigerated, not frozen anyways. For a better effect, I use this soap as a polish on my skin before using it to thoroughly bath. I literally used this for just 2 weeks before bouncing back to my normal soap. I just decided to bless my skin with some fruit before going back to my normal soap. So I decided to share the recipe with you so you can also try it out. After 2 weeks, I discarded this because I did not preserve it at all. If you want it to last, you can add your preservative and use much longer. So if this recipe or this video was helpful to you, please help us like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn your notification bell. Also follow us on all our social media platforms for more tips. And for the ingredients, you can check the description box. We also have other black soap recipes that you can check out. It's all on our description box. I really want to thank you for coming to this page today, and if you would try this recipe, let us know in the comment section. And if you've done that already, please let us get your feedback in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, and I love you.